So HYXiPOWER was recommended to us through our energy supplier for the installation of the battery, and it's been an absolute godsend and pleasure to deal with Hyxi. The install process was amazing, and we really have gotten a lot out of that battery storage in the past 6 months. The support has been great. I particularly really like the app, so I can track what power we're using, what we're storing from our solar system into the battery and then transporting back to the grid. It's really excellent. The service has been amazing. The local support has been excellent throughout the whole process, from the install to the delivery. The app is amazing. We can track our usage, we can see what solar we're producing, what we're transporting back to the grid. It's been just the best experience. I can't recommend it highly enough. Our experience has been nothing short of excellent. We had a great experience from the process of the installation, the follow-up, the checking in, and the team that installed it were sensational. They had to do a few minor adjustments to our setup for it to work at our older style home. The install was really good. They cleaned up. They left us with operational instructions, how to keep things clear of it and how to deal with any issues. It was really excellent customer service. Our experience has been excellent. As I said previously, from our install right through to the customer service aspects, Hyxi has been amazing. The installers arrived on time, they installed it. They had a few difficulties at our older style home and our board, and they made the modifications and installed the battery without any dramas. I think for anybody that's considering solar and storage with a battery, they should definitely speak to HYXiPOWER, see what they can do for them. As I said before, dealing with the team has been amazing, no issues, and we're saving money, and we can see those savings through the app on a daily basis. It's excellent. Yes, I would most definitely recommend HYXiPOWER right from the process, from the install through to the customer service. It's been excellent. The follow-up has been amazing. Checking in just to see how we're going with our plan and our battery. I would recommend them 100%.